My name is Andrea. I'm a student at Melbourne Polytechnic. My student number is S1481969. My subject is Network Vulnerability Penetration Testing. Today I'm going to present hardening techniques on Windows and make an attacker machine. This is the summary. The total is eight techniques. Number one is create non domain, an unknown admin account, screen server timeout, reviewing your firewall your settings, enable full disk encryption, checking the software updates of the Windows, disable remote access, and disable access USB port. One of the requirements is installing Debian 16.04 and Windows. I'm having choose 7. So by default, Windows come from the factory. Is if the administrator with any users created. So the recommendations here, it is disable the admin user by administrator, create your admin user, and create a standard user. In other words, you create your admin user for your use in case you are a network administrator, and for end use the standard rights. So basically you're going to computer management, open local groups, click on users, create one, click in the right click, new user, fill up with the details, and then click on the user again with the right click, and then go to the tab member of add, and then put in the group's users, and then that user gonna be user rights or user privileges. The second screen server is timeout. First you open with Win and R, typing in gpedit.msc, go here, the logical group policy edition, and then you go to user configuration, control personalization, double click on the right side, and then you open the screensaver timeout, click on enable, and then screenshot 600 seconds or whatever the time you want to put, because this is very important in case the user left the desk, for example, and then automatically the EAS locked your system. The next one, it is reviewing, because sometimes your firewall it is turned off, like in my case here. Just click in recommend settings. In case you have some program you have to allow or something in the future, one of the feature, it is going to the Windows firewall in this guy here, and then you can allow your firewall settings. The next one is no less important. It is the BitLocker. It is a Microsoft proprietary encryption. You can prevent use your information in case your computer is stolen on hard drives. because this one's asking you for a password, and then all information is going to be encrypted. Check it if the software update is on, because usually the always the malicious attack it is from something is not updated until the latest version. So the potential consequence it is not installing secure feature is this one basically. One example of Windows, a lot of vulnerability is the Internet Explorer, for example. Disable as remote access. You can go in the system properties, and then let me zoom in here. Sometimes this one here it is not allowed to access, but sometimes it is allowed. This is just check it, and also this is not enough to completely secure it. It is good if you go to the service and then check it. This service here is like a Telnet, SMP, TCP, NetBIOS, FTP, and remote desktop. The recommendation it is turn off or disable it. The next one is disable the access USB port. This one it is the first step. Actually, you can choose the step A or the option B to disable. Both of them is the same. Basically, the second one, for example, you go to Regedit, this path here, and then change for 3 or from 3 to 4. Click OK, or you can take it off the right, the privilege in this way for the same files. And then this one is disable the USB port for the final use port in some cases, or execute something, or the proper USB stick, there is a virus or malicious software there. The next recommendation, it is disinstall the Internet Explorer. Like in here, the Internet Explorer is a home of a lot of vulnerabilities. It is a huge problem from Microsoft. So you can just go to the programs and features and disable the Internet Explorer 8. This one is make your system stronger. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.